When it comes to web hosting, AccuWeb hosting is a solid option. But before you make the decision, there are a few things you need to know. With so many hosting companies out there, like Bluehost, SiteGround, and HostGator, it's important to see how AccuWeb stacks up. Let's dive into the 12 key aspects you should consider before committing. First thing, AccuWeb offers a wide range of hosting types, including shared, VPS, dedicated, and cloud hosting. This gives you flexibility depending on your needs. However, when compared to other competitors, like Bluehost, which has a simpler range of services, AccuWeb might feel a bit more complex if you're just looking for basic hosting. The second thing to note is that AccuWeb is known for its solid performance and uptime. They claim a 99.9% uptime guarantee, which is comparable to other major hosting providers like HostGator. However, some customers report occasional slowdowns, especially with shared hosting plans, which could be a deal breaker for high-traffic websites. Next thing, AccuWeb's customer support is another strength. They offer 24/7 live chat, phone support, and tickets. While they generally have good reviews, there are some reports of slow response times during peak hours, especially when compared to SiteGround, which is often praised for its quicker support responses. The fourth thing is AccuWeb's pricing. Their plans are fairly competitive, but they do require a longer commitment for the best prices. For example, their VPS hosting can be more affordable than competitors like Bluehost, but some might find the lack of monthly billing options inconvenient. Next, AccuWeb hosting is known for its server locations across the globe, which helps in targeting a global audience with faster speeds. This global reach is a significant advantage over providers like GoDaddy, who have fewer server locations. The sixth thing is the ease of use. Their control panel is intuitive, but it may not be as user-friendly as cPanel, which many users are accustomed to, especially when comparing it to services like SiteGround, which offers a more streamlined experience for beginners. The seventh thing to consider is their free website migration service, which many providers charge for. However, it's important to note that the migration service is only free for certain plans, and for lower tier plans, you might have to pay extra for this service, which can be a downside when compared to some competitors offering it free for all users. The eighth thing is AccuWeb's security features. They provide robust security measures, including daily backups and SSL certificates. But while these are great, you might find that other hosts like HostGator also provide these features and add extra layers of protection at no additional cost, which could make them more attractive if security is your top priority. The ninth thing to know is that AccuWeb hosting offers a range of operating systems for VPS hosting, including Windows and Linux. This flexibility is a plus over some competitors, which may limit you to just one or the other. The 10th thing is their scalability. While AccuWeb offers scalable solutions for growing businesses, it might not be as flexible as cloud-based services like AWS or DigitalOcean, which allow you to scale up resources much more easily. So, if you're planning for rapid growth, you might want to consider those alternatives. The 11th thing is that AccuWeb hosting does not have a long-standing reputation like some other providers, such as Bluehost or HostGator, which have been around for decades. While they've built a strong reputation over the years, they might not carry the same brand recognition yet. Lastly, the customer satisfaction ratings for AccuWeb are generally positive. They consistently rank highly for their affordable services and reliability, but as with any provider, there are a few complaints, mainly regarding the upselling of add-ons and limited features in some lower-tier plans. So, to sum it all up, AccuWeb hosting is a solid choice if you're looking for affordable hosting with great performance and a wide range of options. However, if you're looking for something more tailored to simplicity or rapid scaling, there might be better options out there. If you want a better solution with a free trial, check out our recommended hosting provider below and see how it compares.